Hey guys, today we're going to do a leg of lamb. So the other day I did some lamb chops and they turned out really good. So we got a leg of lamb. We're going to put some binder on this, get a little salt, pepper, garlic on it, get it on the smoker, and we'll see how it turns out.
All right, so we're gonna preheat to 225 on our smoker. We're gonna get binder on the lamb. So we're using just regular yellow mustard. We're gonna hit it with some sea salt. I got black pepper, doing fresh chopped garlic, do a little rosemary. You wanna make sure that this roast is covered on both sides. So in the middle of this roast, that's where the bone was. This is a boneless lamb. So just make sure you season all over, you can get in the middle. And once you get everything on there, pat it on real well, we're going to put this directly on the grill grates of the smoker, and we're going to smoke until an internal temperature of 135 degrees. Once it hits about 135, we're going to pull it off, and I'm going to sear this. So I'm going to sear it on my grill at a high temp. I'm going to sear both sides. I kind of flipped it back and forth a couple times to get a good sear. But you're going to get that nice crisp skin, and then the inside is going to be a nice medium rare. Enjoy.